In front of me is Realme 12x, and today I would like to show you how you can apply Apple layout on this device. Begin by opening Play Store and downloading free app called Launcher OS from Launcher Studio. When it's ready, open it. Then hit Get Started. Select I agree to terms and conditions and choose Continue twice. Following that, select while using the app or only this time. Hit Allow a bunch of times in all pop-ups and finally close and add. Now hit Set as Default, tap on Launcher Pro and wait. As you can see, my launcher was successfully applied. If you want to go back to the default one, you can always do that by going back to the same app, hitting Set as Default and choosing System Launcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!